Climb, climb, one. Found myself upset. Yeah, is wet? Is it wet? Mama? Let me see. Miyush. Is it wet? Okay, come. Come, baby. Climb. Climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! So, yesterday her baby also follow her and do round and round. Your baby. Yeah, I should give your baby. I should give your baby. Okay, take your baby. Hmm? Yeah, okay. What else? I just finished my workout again. The sweat is real. Yeah. So, the next clip, I want to go and shower, and they've taken my light. Let me just go. I'm going to use cold water to bath because I love anytime I do my workout, I use cold water to bath. Yeah, I love using cold water to bath anytime I do workout. Yeah, so let's go shower. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my bath. I want to do my skincare. If you've not seen the video where I did my skincare, I'm gonna put this in the card. Please do want to check it out. And after that, I'll lose this hair, make a new one by myself. Then I'll go make lunch. I want to cook jollof rice. I'll just go make lunch, and yeah. So I think I'll take you guys along as well. So don't touch the dial. Keep on watching.
It's so comfortable. No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you.
Madam, leave there.
Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you.
So guys, right now I want to start making the jollof rice. This is kind of like a concussion jollof rice because my ingredients are not complete. Yes, I've already blended the tomato, pepper, off camera, and onions. Okay, I'm just trying to cook and wash as I go. Yeah, to make the work much easier. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Jessica Chunavek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of 1. I am married to a Slovak. If you're so interested in my lifestyle, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So right now, I added my onions and pepper together and I'm just frying it. I'm also testing it. I watched a Nigerian movie whereby the girl, anytime she cook food, is obviously that is salty or there's no maggi or there's over pepper. That food movie was so hilarious. So if you're a lady, please test your food though. I know ladies test their food, but that movie was just so funny. I don't know if most ladies does not test their food or they do test their food. I don't know. So right now I'm folding clothes, like they trying to on the TV and watch something while I fold dresses and while the food is cooking as well. So this is a day in my life stroke how I spent our anniversary. Yeah, 6 years anniversary with hubby. Journey so far amazing. no marriage is perfect, so we grow together and we learn each other. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So right now I'm just staying at home with baby girl before Oga comes back and we do something together. So loves, keep on watching.
So lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
It's been a long time. We both fight same fight.
So guys, when I'm done with folding the clothes, okay, I'll just put them where they're supposed to be. Then the food is ready, and I'll show you how it looks like. So this is what our lunch looks like. Okay, I added some plantain and rice. Do you eat rice without meat? Let me know in the comment section. Without meat, will you eat your rice or any food? Do you eat any food without meat? Yes, let me put it that way. So we're still watching the movie you're watching, and we'll enjoy our lunch, and I'll see you guys in
Fight, and I'm tired. Turn on the light. I'm afraid of the night, and
So guys, later in the evening, I went downstairs to get some grocery, which I'll be unboxing with you guys, okay? So if you want to know how much this grocery costs, keep on watching. So here we have some eggs, okay? I just have to be careful so my eggs don't break. Yeah, this is egg, half crate of egg. And in the other nylon, I'll be showing you guys what we got. I got some Indomie. Yeah, so this is Indomie, and I got Capri Sun for baby girl as well. So this is the Indomies I got. Then I also got some sausages, just one sausage, and I got Capri Sun for baby girl, as I said earlier on. And this is power oil, it's cooking oil, another Indomie, and tin tomato. I've been liking this Gino jollof spaghetti. Like that combination is very nice, very very nice. Golden mon and sugar and bread. Okay, love. So, and chocolate for madam. So, love, this is all I got for 10k. Yeah, this is all I got for 10k.
I'm
Just came back from the supermarket in our estate. Yeah, this is the hair I made. I just made my hair one. I want to do a challenge in my hair channel. So I just had to make my hair one, and guys, I'm loving the length of my hair. Like my hair is growing longer. Is it as if reach me on my neck bone? What they call this? What they call this place? Yeah, guys, reach. that reached there and is really safe passing. See ya. So let me pack all these things and I think I still need to go to another place to get baby girl pampers. Yes. To get baby girls pampers because they don't have a pampers in this our estate supermarket. So I need to go to another place. And it's like it wants to rain. I'm not too sure. I don't want the rain to beat me and my picking sharp. But we'll take you guys along anyway. So see you guys later. Madame's hair. Hopefully this one will last longer because she does not like making her hair. I just hope this one lasts. I just have to make this hair so that her hair can grow. I don't know. She's drinking her Capri Sun. It's fine. Say hi. Let me. So far. I like to give you clear shot. I think I give you clear shot. Okay, guys, we're on our way back. Ah, my hand is dead. Like it's finished. Yeah, Mama's hand is dead. It's finished. Mama's hand is finished. So the pampers I got for her. I got her this Huggins, okay? Huggins napping. Yeah. So and it's already started raining. Thank God we came back early, like before it started to rain. So hubby brought this. Is it champagne or wine? I don't know. So hubby bought it for us to cheers to our 6 years anniversary and all. And we drank this, watched some movies, and anything that you see that happen later is the sign of alcohol. Alcohol make so many things to happen. You get it? You get it, right? Okay, so thank you all so much for watching to this extent, and I'll see you in our next video. Sign off from here. Bye.
Jamora.
When I'm with you, I feel
Jamora.
so lucky I met you and I still
Hey, Jamora,
can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have felt from